Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for a really quick tutorial on how to use the Alexa app. I've been hit up by a lot of you guys as far as not being able to find the offers. They did update their app. And so it's a bit of a, challenge finding it, but once you find it, you'll never unfind it. And so I thought I would do a really quick video for those of you who've been asking. And so for starters though, the Alexa app is in the App Store. You can go and click on your App Store and you can download it. It's free. You do have to have an Amazon account because you have to log into your Amazon account to access it. Once you do that, you're going to click on the app. And from this page, you want to click the very bottom right corner where it says More. And then at the top, we're going to click List and Notes. From here, we're going to click Shopping. And then we're going to click, actually really quick, let me show you guys something really quick. This page here is a list of everything that's on your list, whether it's expired, whether it's still available, or whether it's something that you've already redeemed for. All right, so what I usually do is I'll go through this list probably once a week at least, and I'll make sure that I remove anything that I've already done, or just it's no longer valid, it's expired, or I've already done it. And so I'll go through this and I'll click all of the ones that are not good anymore. I think this is a great tip for those of you who, because I mean, I know some of you guys probably get confused and you think, okay, well, can I still do it if it's still here? No, if you've already done it and it says paid, then it cannot be done again unless a new offer pops up. If it's expired, again, it cannot be done. But when you do go to submit an offer, and let's say you go to submit an offer and there's one on your list that's expired, they both pop up and you kind of have to click the one that's still valid. If you click the wrong one, then it's going to deny your receipt because that offer is expired. All right, so that's another reason why I try to go through my list at least once a week and unclip all of the offers that are, I think I got one by mistake that wasn't expired. And then basically they end up at the end of your list, at the very bottom. See, I have all these I still have to do. Really? Where is it at? Maybe these are the ones that, okay, yeah, completed. That's where they go. They go down here. So I have a ton that I still have to do. Just so that it's not confusing. That's just a tip for some of you guys. You want to see what offers are available. You want to click deals. Okay. And then click other retailers. Okay. And this is where you can find all your offers. I already activated all of them. If I can remember, let me see. I think I did. Yeah, I've already activated all of mine. So, and I would suggest, I usually just activate them all. I don't know if it's the same as with coupons.com. If you don't activate it and it goes away, then you kind of, up a creek or whatever. And so I go ahead and I activate all the offers. One thing I do like about the way it is now is that you can put in an item in the search area to find things. Like it wasn't like that before. The update, and this makes it easier to find what you're looking for, so you're not scrolling through all of the offers. All right, it still doesn't have a scan feature, which if they get a scan feature, I think it's gonna be all good if they do. But as of right now, they don't. All right, so when you want to submit your receipt, we're gonna click Get Paid, and then we're gonna click Redeem Rebates. All right. And then we're going to take a picture of our receipt. Okay, we're going to take a picture of the bed. Okay. And then we scan our barcode, right? And then we're going to scan the barcode of each item. Now, when you're scanning the barcode, always just, sometimes you got to scan it a few times. Also be aware of sometimes you'll have a barcode or a UPC, and there'll be like a little QR code right next to it. Sometimes this camera will pick up that QR code, and it will not scan the product. All right, or will say no match found or something like that. So just be careful with that. Again, you may have to scan the item a few times to get it to go through sometimes. And so yeah, but because they don't have an actual scan feature, sometimes what I'll do just to make sure if a product actually qualifies is I'll go in and act like I'm submitting a receipt just to scan the product, and then I exit out just to see if the product, scans, because there's nothing like buying a product and then you scan it and it doesn't qualify. All right. And so, and then as far as putting a ticket in, I haven't put a ticket in since I started using Shopmium. But I assume you click the little question mark to talk to a representative or to chat with them. I've done that in the past. It wasn't helpful. I've heard a few people say that it's better now. But again, I will go through the process of acting like I'm submitting a receipt just to scan the item, see if it qualifies. If it doesn't scan, then I'm not even going to bother, to be honest. And so as always, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.